A body A of definite shape and mass. So let M be the mass, and it's moving with velocity b bar. And there is other body B with definite mass and shape, and with velocity 0 at time equals to 0. So after the collision, we need to comment about the possibilities. So it is given that v dash bar modulus of v bar equals to 10 meter per second. So first option is body A comes to rest and body B moves with speed of 10 meter per second. Now it need not be true all the times. Only if MA and MB are equal and it is an head-on collision, this option will be true. So it is not given that MA and MB should be equal, and A is the collision is head-on, so A cannot be true all the times. So option 2, they may move perpendicularly to each other. Okay, if MA and MB are equal and MA and the collision is not head-on, then they may move perpendicularly to each other, as we have seen in the previous question. So 2 can be correct, as it is given they may, and it is not a must condition, so it may be correct. Coming to option 3, A and B may come to rest. Now this is not possible, as momentum should be conserved. At least one of them should have some velocity. If the mass is much larger, at least they should have a minute velocity. So momentum of the system cannot be 0. So this is wrong. Coming to option 4, they must move perpendicular to each other. No, this is also wrong, because it is not given that it will be compulsory head-on collision and mass A and mass B are equal. So this cannot be said. So only thing that can be said is they may move perpendicularly.